Whether you've always been careful about what you eat or recently let your diet slip, it's vital to evaluate your eating habits once you hit 50. At this age, it's important to be more selective with your food choices to ensure you're getting the most nutritional value. According to nutrition experts, our energy needs decrease as we enter our middle years. This means there's less room for indulgences like pitchers of margaritas and baskets of chips without risking unwanted weight gain. As your metabolism starts to slow down, you'll also need to consider other changes such as decreasing bone density, slower bowel functions, and the gradual loss of muscle mass, about 1% per year until 65, after which it can double. It's essential for older adults to focus on consuming plenty of fruits and vegetables, opt for lean proteins like poultry or fish if they consume meat, and steer clear of saturated fats and sugars. Maintaining a healthy diet can help manage blood pressure, reduce the risk of heart disease, and help prevent conditions like diabetes and cancer. To create a healthy diet, think of your food choices as members of an orchestra working together to produce a beautiful symphony. Each food plays a unique part in your overall health. By adding these 8 essential foods to your dietary lineup, you're setting the stage for a harmonious and healthier lifestyle. Be sure to stick around until the end, as we'll also share additional diet booster tips to further enhance your health. Number 8. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese might just deserve a regular spot on your weekly menu, especially if you're over 50. This humble food is packed with whey protein, which is known for its muscle-building properties. Athletes often consume whey protein shakes after workouts, but cottage cheese can be an excellent alternative. It's also rich in calcium and vitamin D, which are crucial for maintaining bone strength. After the age of 35, our bones gradually lose density, so incorporating sources of calcium and vitamin D into your diet is vital. In addition to these nutrients, phosphorus and magnesium are also important for bone health. Phosphorus is found in nuts, legumes, cereals, and grains, while magnesium is plentiful in nuts, seeds, legumes, and dark green vegetables. Moreover, a recent study from Penn State University highlighted another beneficial food: prunes. Their research suggests that prunes may help prevent and protect against bone loss in postmenopausal women, making them a valuable addition to a bone-healthy diet. Number 7. Berries. Berries are very nutritious for those over 50, packed with fiber, vitamin C, and anti-inflammatory antioxidants called flavonoids. These nutrients help maintain regular digestion, control weight, and lower the risk of diseases like diabetes, heart disease, and cancer. Men aged 51 and older should aim for 30 grams of fiber per day, while women aged 50 and older should target 21 grams. In addition, berries are beneficial for brain health as we age. They are rich in antioxidants that can enhance motor skills and boost short-term memory, making them an essential component of the MIND diet, which is designed to delay the onset of neurodegenerative diseases. This diet also recommends vegetables, beans, whole grains, nuts, seafood, and poultry for brain health. A significant study by Tufts University in 2020, which followed the dietary habits of 2,800 individuals aged 50 and older for 20 years, discovered that those who rarely ate flavonoid-rich foods such as berries, apples, and tea had a much higher risk of developing dementia. The benefits of berries extend even further. A 2022 study from King's College London revealed that eating 100 grams, about a cup, of fresh cranberries daily could help prevent cardiovascular diseases. Similarly, recent research from the University of California suggests that a small serving of dried goji berries could help prevent or delay macular degeneration. Don't overlook wild blueberries, often found in the frozen section, which contain up to 4 times more antioxidants than regular blueberries. Try adding them to your oatmeal or smoothies for a health boost. Number 6. Dark green leafy vegetables. As we age, our bones tend to weaken and require more calcium, which can be found in low-fat dairy products and dark green leafy vegetables. Foods like kale, arugula, broccoli, and spinach are not only rich in calcium but also high in fiber, which supports muscle function and heart health. A study from Australia published in March 2021 in the Journal of Nutrition revealed that consuming just 1 cup of nitrate-rich leafy greens daily led to an 11% increase in strength in the lower limbs. Additionally, a long-term study from Denmark, which followed 50,000 individuals over 23 years, found that regular consumption of these vegetables was associated with a 12 to 26% reduced risk of heart disease. Moreover, a recent study in the journal Neurology indicated that high levels of antioxidants in green leafy vegetables might reduce the likelihood of developing dementia. These findings highlight the multiple benefits of including these vegetables in your diet. Number 5. Seafood. Fish like salmon, cod, tuna, and trout are excellent sources of lean protein, which is crucial for maintaining or rebuilding muscle mass in older adults. It's recommended for seniors to aim for 5 to 6 ounces of protein daily, whether from seafood, poultry, nuts, seeds, soy products, or lean meats. Research indicates that older individuals should pay particular attention to their protein intake because their bodies aren't as efficient at processing protein as they are during middle age. Additionally, fish is a valuable source of vitamin B12, an essential nutrient found exclusively in animal products that becomes harder to absorb with age. Seafood is also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are linked to numerous health benefits. Consuming 2 to 3 servings of fish per week can reduce the risk of mortality from most chronic diseases by about 17%. Number 4. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are nutritional boosters, offering protein and fiber that help keep you feeling full. So a handful in the afternoon can keep hunger at bay until dinner. To stick to a healthy portion, consider that 1 ounce daily is about 24 almonds, 18 cashews, 35 peanuts, or 15 pecan halves. Beyond providing protein and fiber, nuts and seeds are also key sources of healthy fats. Walnuts, flax meal, and chia seeds, for example, contain ALA omega-3 fats, which your body can convert to EPA and DHA omega-3 fatty acids, essential nutrients for brain health. The benefits of consuming nuts and seeds extend significantly to longevity and cognitive health. A study by the University of Michigan in 2021 highlighted an interesting comparison. Consuming a hot dog could potentially reduce 36 minutes of healthy life, whereas opting for a serving of nuts instead could extend your life by an additional 26 minutes. Number 3. Beans and legumes. Beans are an excellent choice for managing cholesterol levels because they're packed with fiber and protein, yet low in calories. They're also a good source of essential minerals like iron, potassium, and magnesium. When shopping for beans, opt for dry varieties or those canned with low sodium. If you're only able to find regular canned beans, simply draining and rinsing them can reduce their sodium content by 41%. Also, consider incorporating garbanzo beans into your diet. They make delicious hummus, which is a healthy and satisfying snack. Number 2. Water. Yes, I know, that's not even food, but staying hydrated is essential, especially as you age. Our body's ability to signal thirst diminishes over time, making it essential to consciously monitor water intake. This is particularly important during warm, humid days or when you're active, such as gardening outdoors. Proper hydration can help mitigate the decline in bowel function that often accompanies aging. Furthermore, it's worth noting that feelings of hunger are sometimes actually signs of dehydration. Remembering to drink water can prevent unnecessary snacking and support overall health. Number 1. Avocados. Avocados aren't just delicious, they're also incredibly beneficial for your health. A comprehensive 30-year study by Harvard, which involved around 110,000 people and was published in the Journal of the American Heart Association in March 2022, revealed that individuals who ate at least 2 servings of avocado each week had a significantly lower risk of cardiovascular disease compared to those who rarely consumed them. This finding underscores the importance of including avocados in your diet for heart health. Here are some additional tips to boost your diet and further enhance your health. Herbs and spices. As we get older, our taste buds might not be as sensitive, leading us to potentially use more salt. Instead of reaching for the salt shaker, use herbs and spices to enhance the flavor of your meals. Herbs and spices are packed with antioxidants. Favorites like turmeric, ginger, garlic, cinnamon, oregano, and parsley not only add depth to your dishes but also offer substantial health benefits. Seaweed. Seaweed is beneficial for detoxifying the body from various pollutants like pesticides, chemicals, heavy metals, and pathogens accumulated throughout our lives. Dulse, a type of seaweed, is readily available on platforms like Amazon and in the Asian sections of many grocery stores. You can sprinkle dulse flakes over your meals or incorporate the powdered form into smoothies to enjoy its detoxifying effects. Lemon or lime. An easy method to include more calcium in your diet is by squeezing the juice of half a lemon, lime, or orange into your water. This not only refreshes your drink but also supplies essential electrolytes such as sodium, potassium, calcium, and magnesium, which are vital for your health. Vitamin B12, calcium, and vitamin D. While it's best to get your nutrients from whole foods, sometimes supplementation is necessary, especially for those nutrients hard to obtain in sufficient amounts from diet alone. Many people over 50, for example, might not get enough vitamin B12. In such cases, the National Institutes of Health recommends that individuals over 50 consider taking a B12 supplement. Meanwhile, continue to focus on incorporating calcium and vitamin D-rich foods into your meals for overall bone health. Don't stop here. If you enjoyed this video and want more tips on living a healthier and happier life, make sure to check out our other videos. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest content. Together, let's embrace a vibrant and fulfilling life at every age.